Hello, good morning everyone. I welcome you all for our today's classes. So class, today is 3rd March 2021 and the day is Wednesday. So you all have received your date sheets already, which I have shared, and you know from Monday onwards your assessments are going to begin. So one thing which I want to tell you, first we are going to share the worksheets. पहले मैम आपको वर्कशीट भेजेंगी जिसको आपको प्रॉपरली नोटबुक में करना है. यू हैव टू राइट ऑल द आंसर्स इन द नोटबुक एंड शेयर टू मैम ऑन गूगल क्लासरूम. You have been doing it in earlier assessments also. Same way you are going to do that. And when you are writing your answers in the notebook, तो जब आप notebook का if you are using these pages, you have to write your name, class, section on every page. अगर आपने इसको even back side pages को भी use करा है, so on every page you will write your name, your class and your roll number. Is that clear to everyone? And after your worksheet, आपको एक ASL paper भी share होगा. What you have to do, whatever questions are given, they are to be done orally. आपको उन्हें oral करना है. For example, in English, you have to sing rhymes, stories, and whatever. You will speak it and shoot a video. आप उसका एक video shoot करोगे and you will share that video to ma'am. Clear? So this is similar what you have been doing in your earlier assessments. But remember one thing, many of you don't rename the file. आप जो भी this is for parents also. If you are watching the videos, please make sure जब आप अपना Google क्लास पे या आप उस पे वीडियोस को जब भी वर्कशीट या वीडियोस को आप शेयर कर रहे हैं, remember you have to rename. आपको उसमें बच्चे का नेम, उसकी क्लास और उसका रोल नंबर with subject. You have to mention all these 4 things. Clear? And after that you will share it. And please share PDF. और PDF भी कैसे शेयर करना है I tell you. जितनी भी आप पिक्चर्स क्लिक कर रहे हैं, आपको उसका one single PDF बनाना है. अलग अलग इमेजेस के अलग अलग PDFs बहुत डिफिकल्ट हो जाता है फाइल को कंपाइल करना. So please select all the images and create one PDF for them. In case you have any doubts, please ask me, call me and ask me how to do it. But I request you all to share one single PDF of all the pictures. हर पेज का अलग PDF नहीं शेयर करना है. You have to click the pictures, उन सबको select करके make one single PDF and share it. Clear? So this is all. I would like to give instructions for your worksheets and ASL exams. Best of luck for them. Now let's begin with our today's classes. So as I have just told you, today is 3rd March and the day is Wednesday. So we are going to practice a topic in our English and the topic is one and many. So what is one and what is many? Can anyone tell me? So you all know one means one object, जब हम एक ऑब्जेक्ट के बारे में बात करते हैं, and many जब one से ज्यादा ऑब्जेक्ट होते हैं, then we call them many. Understood? Now for example, I have a car. मैम के पास कितनी कार है? I said I have a car. One car है. My sister have 3 cars. वन से ज्यादा हो गई तो हमने क्या किया, 3 है तो 1 से ज्यादा हो गई. जब मैम ने ये बोला I have a car, मैम ने वर्ड बोला कार. My sister have 3 cars. You remember? Did you found the difference? जब 1 से नंबर इंक्रीज हुआ तो हमने क्या किया, कार के आगे S लगाया and it became cars. क्या बन गया वो? Cars. Can you hear the sound of cars? isn't it? I have one book. My friend have many books. One से ज़्यादा हो गया ना many, तो books. So whenever we are talking of many objects, you have to write S with the word. Clear? तभी अब आप बोलोगे my friend have two book. This is wrong. क्योंकि one से ज़्यादा है तो it has to be books. For one you will use book, but for more than one. अब see, if I am talking of two piece, these are chalks, but this is a chalk. और जब दो हो जाते हैं तो chalks, और उससे ज़्यादा भी तो chalks ही रहेंगे. More than one will always write S with the word. Is that clear to everyone? So I have written many words on the board. Let's see what we are going to write if the object turns to many. So if we have one cup, isn't it? जब ममा टी पीती है, she use one cup for herself. लेकिन अब अगर आपके घर में गेस्ट आ गए हैं, so what she will need? Cups. One से ज़्यादा चाहिए ना उनको to serve tea to everyone. So that is cups. Again you have to write S with the word. How? You will write it like this. Cups. Clear everyone? So for one we say cup. जब one से ज़्यादा हो जाते हैं, it's cups. Clear? Like this, let's see other. Mat. If you have only one, we call mat. But if we have more than one, how you are going to say? Mats. Understood? So let's write mats. Then we have hut when it is only one. But if you go to any village, there are many huts. If you visit any farm or any farmhouse, you will find many huts. So it is huts. Now as I told you, if we are talking of one is book. I have one book. My friend have two books. More than one, my friend have three books. तो जब one से ज़्यादा हो, चाहे वो two है, three है, four है, and as many, one से ज़्यादा है, तो it will be books. Clear? So let's write that now. Books. Now next word is chair. So you are using only one chair to sit. But when you are coming to your class, there are many chairs. बहुत सारी. Why? Because बहुत सारे बच्चे आते. Many children come to school. Isn't it? So for one we say chair, and for many we will say chairs. Yes. So let's write chairs. Clear? Now bat. So you all are playing with one bat, isn't it? But whenever you play cricket, how many bats you need? We have two batmen ना? दो होते हैं बैटमैन, दोनों के पास अलग अलग बैट होता है. So you need two bats, isn't it? Cricket खेलना है तो how many bat you need? So we call them bats. More than one, isn't? So let's write bats. Now we have tree. So we can have one tree in our house, isn't it? घर पे तो एक ट्री दो ट्री होते हैं, but जब दो हो जाते हैं तो क्या होगा? Trees. That one tree. And in the park near to your house, many trees. Again you have to write S with the word trees. So one से many होगा तो always write S with the word. This is only one thing you have to remember. अगर आप इसको ऐसे ही लिख दोगे तो it is wrong. Until and unless आप ये लगाओगे, जब S लगेगा then only it is correct. Clear? So tree, one tree, many trees. Now we have one ship. So if everyone will draw one ship and give to ma'am will have, okay, ma'am ने आप सबको बोला कि you have to draw one ship in your notebook, ठीक है? And after drawing it you have to give to ma'am. अब क्या हुआ? You all have done your work. सबने क्या किया? one ship बनाई and all of you gave to me. तो मैम के पास क्या हो गया? Many ships, क्योंकि बहुत सारे बच्चों ने बनाई, isn't it? So ma'am has many ships. You all did one, but जब सबने मैम को दिया, then I got many. So what I will say? Ships. Ships. Clear all? Now we have one pot. Once a thirsty crow. You remember there was one pot of water. But nowadays, if you will see, as the summer has started coming, you will see there are many pots of water under the tree. Isn't it? So that whosoever is feeling thirsty can have the water. So for one we say pot and for many we say pots. So we will write pots. Now we have cap. So if we say many cap, अगर बहुत सारी है तो many caps. Yes. So for one you say cap and for many caps. Now, who is an ant? Cheetah. So, have you ever seen anthill? Anthill क्या होता है? चींटियों का घर होता है, isn't it? When we were learning about insects and all, I taught you. So, anthill is the house of ant. Have you ever seen an anthill? So, if you have seen, there are many in number. क्योंकि वो घर है तो उसमें तो बहुत सारे होंगे, isn't it? So if they are many in number, what you will say them? Ants. Yes. जब एक चींटी दिखती है तो हम कहते हैं चींटी, और जब बहुत सारी होती है तो you call चींटियां, isn't it? So one ant, many ants. Let's write ants. Now the next we have pen. So when you do your work with one pencil, I am writing with one pen. Ma'am, work तो one से करती है, but if I check my pouch, I have many pens. As you have 2 or 3 pencils, so many will be pens. So for one pen and many pens. Key. So when you have seen your key of your house, mama जब घर पे lock लगाती है, so she is having a big bunch, है ना? एक बड़ा सा गुच्छा होता है, उसमें बहुत सारी होती है. So what you call them? Keys. Yes. For one lock we use one, but as we have many locks, many doors we have, so we lock each and every door. तो वो सारी जो key हैं, all together, what we are calling them? Keys. You are calling them keys. Then one is dog. But if all of them, all the friends are coming together and they started barking, bow, 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 what will happen? You will get scared. अब one आ रहा है तो इधर go. But when all are coming, dogs are coming. Isn't it? जब बहुत सारे आते तो we all run to our home, isn't it? So one is dog, and when many are there, we call dogs. Clear? And last, okay. So whenever you want something, you go to a shop. आपको मान लीजिए if you need something in your stationery, you need some pencils, so you will go to a stationery shop to buy. But market में बस वही एक shop है? No, we have many shops. Market आते हैं तो बहुत सारी होती है ना, so you call them shops. लेकिन सामान एक से ही लेते हैं, so stationery shops or stationery shop. But when you are coming to the market, there are many shops. Clear? So again, when we are talking of more than one, we say shops. Understood? So this is what you have to revise today, that when we are talking of more than one object, you have to add S with the word. Very simple, I am telling you. You have to add S with the word. And if you will not write S, बस आप इतना ही लिख के छोड़ देंगे, it will be wrong. So writing S is very important because somewhere this S is the only answer. और सिर्फ S लिखेंगे तो भी wrong है. So you have to write the complete word with S. Clear? So what we have revised today? One and many. That when we are talking of one object, what we say, and when we are talking of more than one object, what you will speak. Clear? Now let's see the work in the book. Sorry, notebook. So open your English notebooks, write down today's date and topic, and let's start with the work in notebook. Okay, class? So class, now let's see how we are going to do the work in notebook. So open your English notebooks. There you will first write today's date, 3rd March 2021. Then write down your topic, one and many, and mention classwork. Clear? So I have written few words here like mug, pen, car, mat, book, pot, cup, hut, jug, ball. So these are few words I have written. You can take these words and take the words that we have done on board also. As many times as you will practice, you are going to do it correctly. Clear? So now let's begin with the work. So when we are talking of one, we call mug. And what will be the many? Mugs. So let's write mugs. Okay? Like this. Next we have pen. So one is pen. Many pens. Then we have car. One car, many cars. Now here we have one mat. Many will be mats. Like this. Mat, mats. Now as I told you, if you have one book, we say one book. But if you have more than one, then what you will say? Books. You will write books. Pot. One pot, many pots. So let's write pots. Then we have cup. One cup, many cups. So one cup, many cups. Next word given is hut. So one is hut and many huts. Clear? Then we have jug. What will be the many of jug? Jugs. Ball. One ball, many balls. Clear? So like this you are going to do your today's work of one and many. Mug, mugs. Pen, pens. Car, cars. Mat, mats. Book, books. Pot, pots. Cup, cups. Hut, huts. Jug, jugs. Ball, balls. Clear? Now your homework will be revise classwork. So your homework is revise classwork. Clear? You have to revise all this work as well as the one on board as your today's homework. Understood, everyone? So class, I hope you have understood and are now able to differentiate between one and many objects, isn't it? So now it's time for you to complete your work in the notebooks and get ready for today's next class. Okay? Bye for now. Take care.